Good morning, everyone. This is Master RJ and Master Janex with your morning daily workout. And for our today's episode, let us watch how Master RJ bring his abs into what?
Game na. Sumama ka sa amin, Mac. Set up mo. Ano sabi?
Wait. Ay, abs.
Game. Yan. Okay na?
Yeah. Nasa gitna, Jay. Nakakaya yung mata ko. Yeah, baba ako.
Ha? Game.
Ano ba yung exercise niya?
Ikaw,
master ka.
Gagawin nga namin eh. Stretching. Stretch. Tapos.
Kulang malaki.
Game. Exercise na. Ano yung exercise? Diretso sa likod.
Next, baka hindi ka nakita sa camera. Hindi ka nakita. Tingin tayo sa camera. Woo! I feel it. Do you feel it? Next, do you feel it?
I feel it.
Oh, wala kang balance.
Wala kang balance. Next, Master RJ. Ikaw pala ng abs. May papaganda. This game, no. Push up.
Madulas. Master, what happened? Madulas. Let's go. Oh, the camera. Master, I can't. Oh, Master is very good. He's still there. Yeah, Master.
Next.
Only easy.
I can't take it anymore, so I'll be the cameraman. Next.
Okay.
Sit up.
How you sit up? Show to the people, Philippine people.
Oh, yeah. You
Document.
You document and I'll show you. This is UFC.
What?
UFC.
Yeah.
No match. Master is no match.
Let's all together. Boys and girls, please don't try this at home. It's dangerous.
Alam ko may berry.